Welcome you all students for the bridge course of social. Today we are going to learn about the topic India, Indian states and emblems. And we are going to work out the exercise 41. Let's start the topic. My country India. The name India is derived from the river called Indus, where our early settlers got settled and habitated. And during the medieval period, we got different names like Hindustan, Hind. And later on, during the independence and after the republic, we got the name India. Our country India is located in ancient continent which is occupies the southern part of the continent, and we got independence from British people on 15th August 1947. And by area wise we are the 7th largest country. We are the second populated country in the world, and we are the democratic country, and India is the largest democratic country with 29 states and 8 union territories. We have different languages, and we are the second highest number of language holding country. Our Indian history is divided according to the periods of three type. First one is ancient period, and medieval period and modern period. Or ancient period starts from prehistoric to AD 700, and medieval period from AD 700 to AD 1857, and modern period from AD 1857 to still now. So our ancient period comes under the Iron Age, Paleolithic Age and Bronze Age, those periods. And our medieval period comes under the kings, the rules of kings, such as Delhi Sultans, Mughal emperors, those peoples. And our medieval period got end in the year of 1857, and after that British people came into India, and from that independence and republic. So this is the period of India, three periods. The next is national symbols and emblems. Our national symbol is so representative, and each and every country has its own emblems and symbols. Or India has a characteristics of about the symbols also, and we have a distinct characteristics for each and every symbol. Each and every symbol represents the characteristics and the culture and tradition of our country. Let's see the emblems and symbols one by one. First is our tricolor flag with the saffron, white and green. In the middle, the chakra is there, blue color chakra. I have mentioned the pictures. Have a look at the pictures also. And next is our Ashok chakra emblem, the four lions standing in the manner. And next is our national animal, tiger. Next is our national flower, lotus, or national bird, peacock, and national tree, banyan tree. Next, our national anthem, Janagana Mana, and our national song, Vande Mataram. So these songs are sung during the important occasions. Next is our national reptile, king cobra, or national dance, Bharatanatyam, or national fruit, mango. So our national currency is rupee, and our hockey is our national sport. You can see our India map, and the states also got divided and given below. Have a look at our map. Next is our state Tamil Nadu. Yes, our state map is given here. Or Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Yes, you find your district in the map. In the Tamil Nadu map, you find your district. Yes, I found my district. Let's see about Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the southern state in India, and we got the name Tamil Nadu in the year of 1969. Before that, we were called as Madras state. Our national symbols we saw. Now we are going to see about our state emblems and symbols. Our state emblem is Srivilliputturu temple cobra. You can see the government of Tamil Nadu emblem. And our national song is Invocation for Tamil Mother. And our state animal is Nilgiri. Our state sport is Kabaddi. And next, emerald dove is our state bird, and glorious lily is our state flower, and palm tree is our state tree, and jackfruit is our state fruit. I have mentioned all the pictures. You can see and get clarified through the pictures. Next, we are going to do the exercise 1. Put a tick mark in the correct Indian national symbol. So you're going to tick the national symbols. First one, among the two flowers, you are going to find our national flower. Very easy one. Our national flower is lotus. Next, two animals are given. Among the two animal or national animal is tiger. The two fruits are given. Among the two fruits or national fruit is mango. The two birds are there. Our national bird is peacock. Next, the two flags are given. Among the two flags or national flag is Indian tricolor flag, and among the two sports or national sport is hockey. Yes, we got the answers. Next is we are going to identify and write the name of the period of history. So you see the picture, easily you can identify the periods of the history. So the first picture is easy and the period is Iron Age. Next picture also very easy. You can easily find the period and the answer is medieval period. The king is going on the elephant. Okay, we'll go to the next exercise. Number 3. Search the national symbols in the crossword puzzle. So you are going to search the national symbols in the tabular column in the puzzle. So the answers are going to be in the white shade part of the tabular column. The white shaded parts are the answers. So first is peacock, emblem, mango, and lotus, tiger, tricolor flag, banyan tree, rupee, symbol is there. So we'll start from peacock and one by one we found all those things. So this is our exercise number 3. Next is number 4. India quiz whiz. What is the capital of India? Yes, the answer is New Delhi. What is the name of Indian currency? Rupee. What is the national tree of India? Very easy answer. The answer is banyan tree. Where chess was invented? This is also you people know very well. The answer is India. Who composed the national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Next is 5th one. Find the odd one. Among the given names, animals, you are going to find the odd one. Okay, the first one is Nilgiri Tar. Because the given things are the state symbols and Nilgiri Tar is our state animal. So this is the odd one. So like that, the next one is Chola. So among the given thing, all are belong to the national symbols and emblems, and this is going to be the state thing. Next is New Delhi, because Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka are state things, and New Delhi is the union territory and capital also. So this is the odd one. Next, 4th one, the answer is Odisha. Yes. Next is our national bird is given and emblem is given, Buddha is given. The answer is Buddha. This is the odd one. And for 6th one, the answer is American dollar. Okay students, I hope you all enjoyed the exercise. We'll meet in the next topic. Thank you.